Welcome again at Igbo History TV. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please help us by subscribing. Turn on the notification icon for more updates. Today we are going to discuss about Owu Festival or Owu Masquerade Festival. Pay attentively. Listen attentively. Pay attention and listen attentively. Among the southern Igbo, there is this masquerade that comes out to dance once every year between July and August. It marks the end of the farming season and the end of the traditional Igbo year, Afo, when yams are harvested. It is marked by performances by the masquerade known as Owu. Among the southern Igbo communities, there are four main masquerade types: Mmong, Owu, Ekpo, Okonko, and Ekpe. Owu is one of the dominant types. Owu in short comes from the word Owu Mmiri. It means water spirit. The Owu Mmiri is believed to be a spirit that is both benevolent and malevolent. She blesses her devotees with wealth, fertility, beauty, and prosperity. Owu Mmiri is celebrated primarily in Imo and Rivers State communities during various festivals, particularly in Uguta, Osun, Mbitoli, Ohaji, and Oru areas of Imo State and Ikwere areas of Rivers State. Those are the true owners of Owu. Owu, according to the story, has its origin among the Olu riverine Igbos around Uguta in a town known as Osobodo. The legend has it that a woman named Ojeru was fishing along the creeks. Instead of catching fishes, she caught a mysterious or staff and a mask belonging to a powerful local Owu Mmiri. She took the items to her husband and they decided to consult a local diviner known as Otugwa. Otugwa told them that they had been blessed with wealth and to construct an Owu masquerade and dances round the village in commemoration of the Owu Mmiri. They eventually got wealthy and Owu popularity spread to surrounding areas. Around the Uguta area, Owu is usually danced during two festivals: the Agogo Traditional New Year and the Omerife New Yam Festival. Osobodo was always the first to dance it, followed by Uguta Amoeshi, while others such as Ebuoma, Nkweshi, Awa follow suit. Owu is a masquerade society that traditionally has 9 levels, and at the topmost tier is the Okoroshi, the king of masquerades. The Owu society also serves as the law enforcement, and its members form the aristocracy of the towns where it exists. Although other villages who have borrowed the culture may have their own variations and adaptations. The Owu Mmiri is usually celebrated around the harvest season because Owu Mmiri was associated with wealth, bounty, and success. The Owu mask often occurs in 2 variations, which represents a duality of nature. The Owu Oma, which represents the female force, beauty, white, and grace, and the Owu Oji, which represents the masculine, is often painted black and ugly or grotesque. The performance of the both is thought to enhance fertility, bring the good weather, and harbor bountiful harvests. Owu is the form of masquerade predominant in Imo, Rivers, and Bayelsa states.